Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Jal Tarang. If you notice, there is music everywhere around us. Listen to the birds singing, the horns of vehicles, even the noise of the train has a rhythm to it. Let us try and make some music of our own. Get 6 to 10 bowls of the same size and shape. Pour water into the bowls and keep the water at different levels. Use 2 pencils and strike the rim of the bowls to make musical sounds. Now our very own musical instrument is ready. This is there with a light. They all reached a house with a light. The Mumbai Musicians. Once upon a time, there lived an interesting story named Gupu. The story is adapted from the Bremen town musicians, of a farmer, written by Grimm brothers. The story is about 4 friends who wished to become musicians. To the factory. He was now very tired and old. The farmer said to Gupu, "You're a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Gopu smiled and said goodbye. He set off towards the city of Mumbai. "I'm good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there." On the way, he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Dupu. "I'm going to Mumbai to be a musician. Would you like to come too?" asked Gupu. "Yes, I would," replied Dupu. Off went the 2 friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. They all reached a house with a light. They saw they were tired and hungry. In the middle of the road, they peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. Cat, said the cat. They decided to sing. "Would you like to let the people inside know that they were musicians?" asked Gupu and Dupu together. They sang. "Oh, I would love to come along." The people inside replied thought the ghosts had come to scare them. Off went the 3 together to become Mumbai musicians. Gupu, Dupu, and Kuri went into the house and ate the food until they joined your band no more. New words. Tired. The old man is tired after climbing the stairs. Musician. A.R. Rahman is my favorite musician. Peeped. The thief peeped through the window and saw an almirah. Delicious. Pizza is a delicious food. Scare. The boy took a stone to scare the dog.